production line for maturing cheeses. In 2009, in Siko plant Golishev, Poland and Tewes company implemented a project regarding the production line for Dutch, Swiss-Dutch and Swiss-type maturing cheeses with a processing capacity of 120,000 liters milk per day. The project included manufacturing the devices, visualization and archiving the line, personal training and the plant startup. It consists of the following main components: 2 vertical cheese-making tanks with an operating capacity of 12 tons of milk, pre-pressed vat with automatic discharge and filling molds with cheese, lid mounting device, final pressing device. Set of devices designed for taking the lids off, turning the molds upside down and emptying them. Automatic cheese slicer. Tunnel cleaner for molds and lids. Conveyor system. CAP station. Thanks to automatic control, the cheese slurry that meets the selected process requirements is automatically produced on process tanks. The card processing parameters like time settings for particle operations, the speed of mixing paddles, cutting blades, the process temperature and its increased speed can be entered in the software in the form of recipes. Process vats are fitted with individual heating systems necessary to heat the tank content according to settings entered or stored in the controller memory. Both the tank structure and the design of mixing paddles allow us to properly slice the card depending on the particle cheese type and ensures evenly distributed synergies assisted by the manufacturing temperature control. Draining the whey through side outlets make it possible to carry out the operation within a shortest time possible. Process water is added via cleaning heads. By using a slurry pump, the tank is emptied into the pre-pressed vat used to form the cheese. Its design features ensure even and smooth card grain distribution, at the same time protecting it against aeration that could result in cheese defects. Both time and the pressure of pressing the cards under the whey surface are adjustable depending on the process requirements. The vat control system allows us to adjust time, pressure and the height of whey surface. Once the pressing is completed, the cheese block is divided into portions on the discharge mechanism and the portions are automatically placed in molds. The mold circulation system is compatible with the vat discharge configuration. The cheese blocks placed in molds are carried through the lid mounting station to the final pressing device. The automatic final pressing device, consisting of individual pressing stations, is fitted with a time and pressure programmer, allowing users to adjust time and pressure settings to meet process requirements. Once the final pressing is completed, the molds with cheese are conveyed to the lid removal assembly that turns the molds upside down and empties them. The entire process is automatic and maintains the consistency of particle stages. The cheese blocks are delivered to the slicer. At the last carriage stage, the cheese goes through a metal detector and then it goes to brine containers. Empty molds, including lids, are carried to the tunnel cleaner, where after getting through all the cleaning sections return to the beginning of the production cycle. The process vats and related components, as well as the pre-press vat, presses and tunnel cleaner, are washed using an automatic double-line container CIP system. The cleaning circuits are closed, double-stage, and offer a chemical disinfection feature. The method and technology developed and applied ensure complete automation of classing process operations. The control and automation system provides process repeatability and makes it possible to precisely maintain the present process parameters. An authorized operator with control panels can adjust the settings of the whole process. The data entered goes to the central controller used to supervise the whole production. The operator has a direct access both to current and stored process information. All warning and alarm signals coming from particular devices are transmitted to the control panel, where in real time the system can record the consumption of raw materials, energy, and the amount of final product. The entire line is protected with a safety system based on light curtains and lock systems.